Chris Hansen. It's November 6th. It's 7 o'clock right now exactly. And I'm being beamed right in the back of my head right here. Extremely by these microwave weapons coming from 114 Kuakini Street. There's a major voice-to-skull coming from Pearl Harbor, Hickman Air Force Base. Again, every day of the week, associated with all the weapons attacks in the back of my head. My body is tremoring, and I'm having spasms every now and then from the waves. In the meantime, I had a news flash pop up on my phone that America and the Japanese are doing joint exercise and warship exercises south side of Cuba. In the meantime, I'm being totally microwaved by Pearl Harbor, Hickman Air Force Base here in Oahu, Hawaii, with direct energy weapons attacks, microwave weapons.